dumb kid. I'm telling hers that. It is what it is. Get over it.
We fart?
One time,
I didn't tell her I was like 45. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Artist
you
is
let her rip after 45.
Her mother always said she never did, ever. You never.
Well, you used to say you didn't.
I didn't tell her I was like 45.
You never farted till
Artist
you were
is
45.
90, and her friend was 89. And one day, there was two ladies there. They were both in their 90s. They were changing their hearing aid batteries. They were changing them.
their diaper.
No, they were changing hearing aid batteries. And all of a sudden, the most devout Christian one, she just rips. And I went. They both laughed. She goes, "Yep, or that's what we can do once we hit 90, can't we?" And I thought, "Yep,
Why
you
wait till you're
deserve
90?
it. You
You're not
deserve it."
90.
She didn't
Why wait
apologize.
Till you're 90
So here's
when
the
you
thing
can do
that
it.
we have at home.
When you're 50.
No. There's a difference. There is farting and there's air. When you sit down in the toilet and it's air, I have air. John will say, "Was that air?" And I say, "Yes, that was air." If you sit down and it's not a fart, that's air. So you really didn't fart, Kathy. You didn't really fart.
Define fart.
When you sit down into the toilet and it comes no, that's air. That's air.
Define fart.
Because you didn't mean to do it. It just came out.
There's air.
No, that's the truth, Patty. Air is when it just falls out.
You pass air, it's
That is not
fart.
a fart.
This piece is kind of soupy, Dakota.
She said extra sauce.
Everybody has been Tyler all night. Now you're Dakota.
Yeah.
You see what you-
Yeah.
That's air.
She said she wanted to eat it with a spoon.
That's air. Patty just stands there and does it. And he's like, "Did you hear that?
What? You what? Don't make me. Don't make me pee on this couch.
I'm telling you, there's a difference between air and that F word. If you don't mean to do it, and burping, let me tell you about burping. Sometimes burps just come out. They're called outies. They just come out. And it's not a burp, it's an outie. And I have to tell you, it's an outie, it's not a burp. It is the burp. What is it? It just comes out. Just like air. It's an outie. And you didn't mean to do it. It just comes out of nowhere. It just comes out. It's not a burp.
Somebody's gonna make. Somebody's gonna make some money off this. Oh.
So I'm not telling you what it is anymore. I'm not. Because those aren't really burps either. They just come out.
You're saying they're toots.
If they're
Okay, change the subject.
we're talking about burps. And they come out. They're just an outie. They're not a burp. They just come out.
Okay, I'm going to bed.